Hello Disney family and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing several things for you. I always say unboxing, but I'm unbagging actually 3 of them and I'm unboxing 1 of them. And if you did not catch my Disney trip haul, I will link that above. You can see the specific things in there. It is 1 pin bag, 1 pin box, and then 2 collectibles bags that I'm hoping to get a few of. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love for you to be a part of my family and go ahead and hit that red subscribe button because I would love to see you back here. If you are already a part of my Disney family, make sure to hit that little bell notification button so you know every time I am posting a new video. But let's just jump right into these unboxings and unbaggings. So the very first thing I'm going to be unbagging for you today is this collector pack, which I've actually done before for you. And I'm hoping to get the Tree of Life, Small World attraction, Animal Kingdom, Safari Jeep. I basically just want like the buses or the ride attraction, boats. That's kind of what I'm looking for. They have some dolls in here, but I'm really hoping to get those. So let's jump right into this. I've actually unbagged these before on my channel. I think I did them with my mom. So I will link that above. And oh my goodness. You guys, hold on. Look what I got. I got the Small World, like the front of the Small World. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, and if you know, my girl's room is Small World. It's got the little clock. You can probably hear Rosie, but it's got the little clock on it. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Here we go. Look, it's got the little clock and it's so cute. It matches my girl's room perfectly. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at that. So obviously I'm very excited about the very first thing. I cannot wait to see what else is in this bag. Okay, so the next thing is, I got the bus. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is awesome. Look, it's like the Magical Express bus. Or no, I think it's just a regular Disney bus. Either way, I really wanted these attraction type. I didn't want like the people. I really wanted these little, I don't know what. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Here, let me get a close up for you. There we go. Look at it. It's so cute and tiny. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the last thing is, I got this. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I got the little Animal Kingdom Safari Jeep. Oh wait, no, maybe this is the Indiana Jones. Hang on, let me look at the back. No, this is the Safari Jeep. I can't believe, I mean, like, you guys knew this was like before I even opened it. What I really wanted were like the ride attractions. I did not want the people. I'm so excited. Look at how cute this is. Look at it. It's the little Safari Jeep. I am so excited about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this was great. This is awesome. If this is I'm so excited about this. So the next collector pack I got is this holiday edition one, which it's got a whole lot of stuff. I'm not super picky about it, I don't think. I would love a pumpkin just because I would love to get a pumpkin only because I just love the, oh my gosh. It is a Valentine's Day figment. This is so cute. Look at him. Oh, but look at him. Look at him. He's got little hearts, and then if you turn him around, he's got the little arrows to shoot. Hold on, let me see if I can get this to focus better. There we go. So he's got little hearts on his back and arrows. He is so cute. Now the next one is Stitch in a Pumpkin. I was really hoping for some Halloween fall ones because that's my favorite time of year, but it's Stitch in a Pumpkin. Look at him. There he is. Is he not adorable? Look at his back. He's got like little candies around him. Oh, he is so cute. And then the final one is, oh, it's a turkey Eeyore. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I got 2 fall ones. This is amazing. I picked out some good packs, you guys. I'm very excited. Look at this little Eeyore. Oh my gosh, she's dressed as a turkey. Look at him. He's got his little turkey tail on the back. Is he not so cute? That's exciting. Okay, now we are going to open this pin pack. Now I've actually unbagged some of these on my channel before, but I am looking for some different ones. So let's see what we got going on in this one. All right, the first, it's the pink fairy. Oh my gosh, I wanted her. Oh yay, her. Oh my gosh. There she is. Look at how, oh my gosh, with her little hearts on the bottom. Oh, now I had the green fairy. My mom had gotten both the green and blue. I really wanted the pink one because pink is my favorite color. So this was the fairy I wanted. All right, so next, I have another green fairy. So I already have her. That's okay, I will stick her in my trade pile. But I have already, I got Anna, who I actually already have, but she's got like the little Olaf down below, and I feel like she's something that people would really want, so she should be pretty easy to trade if anybody wants to trade her. And they have some doubles with her little Olaf. She's really cute. I got Elsa again. I already have Elsa. I feel like I spoke too soon. Here's Elsa. Wow, I got all 3 fairies. That's pretty cool. So here is the blue fairy, who I don't have. So I guess I got 2 out of 5. I guess those aren't great odds. Well, if anybody's looking for the green fairy or Elsa or Anna, I've got some pins to trade, and I would love to get some of the ones that I'm looking for. So now last, I will be doing this Alice in Wonderland unboxing, and Alice has a very special place in my heart. So let's do this Alice. I really want Alice and the Cheshire Cat, but I feel like that's like a lot of wishing. So let's see who we've got in here. Oh, I think, yes. It's the caterpillar. Now, I don't have any of these, so it's okay. I just know who I'd like. There's the caterpillar. And then here is our final pin. Again, just feeling around, I feel like this might be the Cheshire Cat. Could be wrong, but it kind of feels like him. Nope. No. It's the Mad Hatter. But he's really cute. Oh, look. He's holding like a teapot and a spoon, and he's got like a little teacup next to him. He's actually really cute. So that is it for my pin unboxings, unbaggings today. I hope you guys enjoyed them. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps you know what kind of content you guys are enjoying. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.